Good morning, students. After practicing the derivation of the integrated rate equations, if you don't solve numerical problem, then the formula will not get remembered and you will not know the application of that. So in chemistry, it is very important that whatever concept you learn, if you solve one or two application based questions from that, then the learning will become enduring learning and you will not forget that at all. All right. So after the derivation of the rate equation of zero order equation and the rate equation for integrated rate equation for first order reaction, I have taken up a numerical problem based on the integrated rate equation for a first order reaction. So the language seems to be longer, but if you will write given, it will become short. See what we have been given here. I will read out and I will write on the given. Initial concentration of N2O5, that means A0. Initial concentration is A0 is equal to this much, 1.24 10 to the power minus 2 mole per liter. This is the first order reaction. Now from problem also you can learn many examples. So if somebody asks you one mark question, that is decomposition of N2O5 a first order reaction or zero order reaction. So from this numerical itself you will come to know that this is first order reaction. Alright. Although in textbook somewhere the example may not be given, but in the problem this example is given. So from here you can learn that this reaction is a first order reaction, and that is how we enrich our memory bank. And the final concentration A is given to be, where is it given here? The concentration of N2O5 after 60 minutes. So from T0 to T60, when time advents, then the concentration becomes this much, 0.20 10 to the power minus 2. This is mole per liter, and this is also mole per liter. Delta T is equal to 60 minutes. The reaction has to start from 0 second to some time. So this is the time change. Now we know that K is equal to 2.303 by T log A0 by A. Now what we have to find out? To find value of rate constant K. So we'll put the value and get the answer. K will be equal to 2.303 by 60. Whatever value will come in terms of minutes. You can convert this into second also. That's not an issue. So log value of this will be initial 1.24 10 to the power minus 2 by 0.20 10 to the power minus 2. This gets cancelled, and whatever value you will get, you can get this value from the log table. So this becomes K is equal to 2.303 by, same value are nullified, mole per liter is nullified. So here minute is remaining, 60 minutes into value of this much will be equal to 6.2 log 6.2. Now if you find out the value of all this will come out to be K will be equal to 0.0304 per minute. Now I will give you a very typical homework. You have to find out 4 such numericals of the same pattern. Alright. So I am not asking you to solve numericals, but you have to find out such kind of numericals from the exercise. That in the exercise, is there any other problem based on this pattern? So just find out those problems and send it to me. Alright, you can do it as a group activity also. So I would like to see a number of problems, maybe one problem from each one of you, so that we get a bank of problems which you find for yourself and then we will solve. Alright, so in this way we will get the practice of same type of numerical problems. I could have found out for you, but then I want you to do some turning of pages. Alright, So either you can see the exercises, or you can see some exercise book, or you can see some question bank and find out similar problems. After you find out similar problems, we will solve it, and once we solve, then this problem at least will become fixed in our mind. All right, and moreover, I have found that you people are very good in understanding science. All right, thank you.